National STEM Expo 2026, a national movement in action. MI. 2 extraordinary days, 1 powerful mission. Thousands inspired. The National STEM Expo 2026 has officially concluded, and what a milestone it has been for Malaysia.
Alhamdulillah, hari ini saya berpeluang hadir merasmikan satu program yang dipanggil National STEM Expo 2026 yang dipimpin oleh seorang tokoh kita yang begitu gigih, Profesor Emeritus Dr. Noraini Idris, seorang yang banyak juga membuat program-program dan event ke arah menggalakkan kefahaman terutama di kalangan pelajar di peringkat sekolah rendah, menengah hinggalah ke peringkat universiti, berhubung dengan macam mana sains ini boleh membantu negara kita khususnya dan masyarakat kita untuk menghadapi cabaran yang baru dengan cara kita menghadapi ekonomi. Contoh, kita perlukan kefahaman teknologi yang baik, apatah lagi kalau cerita tentang peluang pekerjaan. Hari ini bukan mudah nak cari kerja with the pendekatan baru melalui Kementerian Pendidikan dan kerjasama kita juga di MOSTI, dan apalagi dibantu oleh seorang tokoh seperti program hari ini untuk kita mendedahkan anak-anak muda kita ke arah perlunya mereka faham dan minat kepada sains, sebab melalui sains inilah kita nampak ada masa depan dari segi kejayaan itu. Hari ini kita lihat negara kita memang berdepan dengan masalah seperti yang saya sebut. Memang berjaya kita mengadakan berbagai program STEM termasuk di kementerian saya dan juga kerjasama kementerian saya dengan Kementerian Pendidikan Malaysia. Akan tetapi kita juga tidak boleh menafikan bahawa kita berdepan dengan kekurangan minat ini di kalangan pelajar kita. Dan kekurangan minat ini juga menyebabkan ramai yang tak mengambil jurusan bidang sains di peringkat universiti, yang akhirnya ramai keluaran kita graduate menjadi penganggur pula sebab peluang pekerjaan itu terhad. Tapi sebetulnya bukan tidak ada kerja tapi bukan dalam bidang seperti yang diminati ramai pelajar kita hari ini. Maka itu kita menggalakkan mereka sedar dan tahu bahawa peluang itu ada di dalam kita memahami bidang sains dan teknologi.
We are very grateful to be one of the strategic partner for 2026 National STEM Expo. It is not just an event, but it is a strategic national platform that brings together education, innovation, industry partners and community engagement to cultivate a future-ready generation. So this year, we bring along our University Science Malaysia experts from various schools and centres including Pusat Kanser Tun Abdullah Ahmad Badawi, SIDEC and School of Distance Education. Through this program, we provide hands-on activities based on our developed STEM modules. So at Pusat Kanser Tun Abdullah Ahmad Badawi, we do hands-on activities related to exploring the power of radiation, where our students have an opportunity to do hands-on activities and also engage with our experts to discover natural and also man-made radiation sources. And they are also to understand the electromagnetic spectrum interactively, experience our simulated medical imaging demonstration, and explore how radiation save life in cancer diagnosis and treatment.
So we really like this event. We think it's very educating and we learned a lot, and it made us very open-minded about STEM, and it really encourages us to get into STEM more, and maybe next year we will get into STEM.
Launched by YB Dato Dr. Dr. Haji Mohammad Yusof bin Apdal, Deputy Minister of MOSTI, the Expo set a clear national direction. STEM is not just education. It is Malaysia's future growth engine. From the moment the doors opened at KL Gateway Mall, the energy was undeniable. Students coding, robots in motion, rockets launching, CSI challenges unfolding, innovation prototypes on display, career pathways explored, STEM got talent lighting up the stage. Every zone was alive with curiosity, creativity, and confidence.
And I'm bringing my student here today. We have a lot of exhibitions here, and it is a very good program because bagi pendedahan lah secara live kepada pelajar-pelajar saya, so diorang boleh experience benda itu sendiri.
I'm very happy to join this program because this is the first time National STEM Expo in Malaysia. And for our students, they gain a lot of the experience. Because in our school, we have the STEM lesson. And this STEM lesson, we are exposed the student some creativity activity. So in this platform, the student can show their talents. And especially in our school, we introduce the robotics study and the AI study. So in this platform, I saw my students very happily to enjoy to sharing their knowledge.
Over 15,000 visitors across 2 days. Students, educators, parents, industry leaders, policymakers, all under one roof, all united by one purpose. Building Malaysia's future talent pipeline. The feedback has been overwhelming. Exhibitors praise the quality of engagement. Educators welcomed the hands-on exposure. Students left inspired. Industry partners saw real collaboration in action. This was not just an exhibition. It was a national ecosystem coming together.
In NSE, we run the workshop about AI and the kids can learn. It's very easy to learn with FlowIno. So I found that it is very impact event here. I found many students come and very enjoy with the event.
Pandai Education is actually an application where students from year 1 until Form 5 can use the product and can answer lots of questions, lots of exams, and also can join our live tuition. So thank you again to National STEM Expo and Teen Media for organizing this beautiful program so that we can engage with more students and more teachers. Thank you.